Hey everyone, this is Josh from England. I'm currently a student here at IBS BFSU and I really enjoy my time here. So today I'm going to share with you our exchange program and also the accommodation options. Okay, so here I will share with you some more detailed information about accommodation options. As an exchange student here at IBS BFSU, you will have two options for accommodation. One is to rent an apartment around the BFSU neighbourhood. However, since the price is relatively high, you could also choose the other option, which is to live on campus by applying for a student dormitory. As for the latter, we currently have 4 international dormitory buildings for international students, which are Guojiao Building on the East Campus, the Guanei Building, White Building, and Number 6 Building on the West Campus. Moving on, here are some photos of the dormitory rooms. You can see our single room and our double room. There are also public areas and laundry rooms. As for the accommodation fee, this is a dormitory price list. Please note that this list below is only for reference. There may be adjustments every semester. If you would like, you can pause the video here to take a closer look. Overall, the monthly accommodation fee at BFSU will range between $170 to $480. To help you to get to know more about our international student dormitories, we have filmed a series of videos. You can check it out on our YouTube channel. So this is all the information you need about our accommodation options at IBS BFSU. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact us via email. For more information about IBS BFSU campus life, student events, and any other activities, you can scan the QR codes below to follow us on social media. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope to see you all at BFSU soon.